Hi agains, Josh here, Yak Bass Outdoors, Vibe Kayaks Pro Fishing Team. Hope all is well today. I was supposed to be hitting the Chesty River today with a bunch of people, but that kind of fell through due to the weather. It was kind of up and down whenever we were going to get on, so we just decided to call it off. But I have a break in the weather. I'm going to go try to hit up Lake Zwarner in Dahlonega, Georgia. I'm sure some of y'all have fished it, some of y'all heard of it, some of y'all haven't. I haven't fished it probably in almost 5 years. So I'm gonna give it a shot. It's 10 o'clock now. I'm gonna be fishing till about noon. I need to get home probably about 12:30, 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna give it my best shot, see if I can wear them out and hopefully get some in the boat. I got both cameras out there with me today. Still in the trial run with them. Experimental mode, I guess you would say. I don't know if that sounded right. It didn't sound right at all. But anyways, I'm gonna try them out and see if I can get some good footage on it. But at least I'll get on the water for about 2 hours, unless this storm pushes me out. But hope y'all like it. We'll see what happens. Oh! Dadgummit. Saw him chasing it. Back swing. Take it easy. Holy sh! Please tell me that's a bass. Oh my God. Come on, tire out. Come on. Run with it for a second. Come on, tire out. Oh my God, that's a strapper. Oh my God, dang it. Oh my God. That thing was huge! Alright guys, I know a lot of y'all have asked me on my channel, how's the stability of the Sea Ghost and can you stand and fish? As you saw earlier, I probably just had my PB on the line because it surfaced, and if it wasn't a bass, I don't know what it was. But it broke the FG knot. Let's just put it that way. And I've been tying that knot
practicing it religious for about 3 weeks now. And I was standing, and I was retrieving a bluegill crankbait, and the sucker just smacked it. I mean, oh my gosh, easy 10-pounder. Just gonna go and throw that out there. But I know a lot of y'all have been asking me about the stability. I mean, look guys, I'm going from side to side and I'm fine. As long as you got decent balance, you can paddle standing, you can fish standing, you can do just about anything while you're standing on the Seagulls. Great boat. I got about 30-45 more minutes, so I'm going to cut back down. Money in the bank. Little one. It's a little one right there. Tiny, around that brush pile, that lay down. Oh, that's a good way to end right there. No, beak. Calm down now. That's a good way to end the day right there. Well guys, all in all, it was a good day. For 2 hours, 4 fish, and possibly the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life, my PB. I hate it that I guess I need to bump up my fluorocarbon later and beef up that FG, I guess, because that sucker was pulling. And yeah, I probably made a mistake here and there to you know, bringing it up a little bit too high and then letting it drag out a little bit more. But man, it was a good day. Didn't get skunked. Beautiful day. It wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold. It was perfect. It was overcast. I mean, as you can see, it's overcast. It was awesome. I'm stoked. But I'm gonna fish a little bit more along the bank right here and see if I can't pull another one in. Who knows? But I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, show me some love. If y'all have any questions about what I'm throwing today or how everything's going on the boat, you know, any questions whatsoever, feel free to comment. And I'll get back to you within a day, hopefully. That's what I've been trying to do the past 2 weeks. So hopefully I'll get this up here real quick. And I think, hold on, stand by. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, well, another one. Dang. Well, hey, it is what it is, guys. If y'all fishing, I'm right there with you. If you ain't, sucks for y'all. Hope you have a good day. Deuces.